If you are wondering if POCO X8 Pro Max is going to receive the Android 17 update, then the answer is yes. Unfortunately for me, as I am recording this video right now, there is no information about Android 17 just yet. I mean, there is no official release of Android 17 in general. There is no date for Android 17 for POCO X8 Pro Max. But you can be certain that Android 17 sooner or later is going to be available on POCO X8 Pro Max. Of course, it depends when you are watching this video, because if you are watching this video much later, there is a chance that the Android 17 update is going to be released soon. Maybe it is already released, but still Android 17 is pretty much guaranteed, as I believe that Xiaomi promised 5 years of major OS upgrades for POCO X8 Pro Max. So Android 17 should be one of them, definitely. Leave a like and subscribe.